Hello students, so your question is, we cannot see the atom with, our first option is naked eyes, second option is microscope, and then third option is electron microscope, and our last option is all of the above. So basically in this question they have asked us that with which of them we will not be able to see an atom. Okay students, so first of all let's discuss what do we understand by this atom. Okay students, so students basically atoms are tiny particles that are far too very small to see and that are measured in terms of nanometers. So basically 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 10 meters will be the accurate size of an atom. And secondly students, except for atoms of noble gases, they do not exist independently. Okay students, and hence an atom cannot be visible with naked eyes. That's why we will not be able to see an atom with our naked eyes. So the correct answer of this question will be option number A, naked eyes. And third option, that is electron microscope students. So basically electron microscope is a device by which we are able to see many nanoparticles as well as different type of atoms. So I hope students this explanation is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.